In this video, we're going to review the best DJ headphones for beginners. If any of these products catch your interest, you can find the links in the description below. First up, we have the Sennheiser Pro HD-25. This model is considered the industry standard for DJs, and you'll find it in DJ booths worldwide. One of the main reasons for its popularity is its performance in loud environments. The HD-25 is lightweight and designed for professional monitoring, offering high attenuation of background noise. It's perfect for DJs who need to focus on their music without distractions. These headphones are also capable of handling very high sound pressure levels, so you can crank up the volume without sacrificing clarity. The aluminium voice coils are lightweight but powerful, ensuring high sensitivity. Another great feature is the rotatable capsule, allowing for one-ear listening, which is key for DJs. Next, let's talk about the Pioneer DJ HDJ-X5. These headphones are all about comfort and durability. They have a housing design that reduces pressure on your head and improves grip, which makes them comfortable to wear even during long DJ sets. The flexible headband and swivel design allow for a custom fit, so you can wear them however you prefer. Durability is also a big selling point for these headphones. They've passed the US military standard shock test, so you can trust them to hold up even under tough conditions. The HDJ-X5 features a 40mm driver, which ensures loud and clear sound, and its 4-core twisted cable enhances left and right channel separation. The sound is optimized to reduce noise and provide distortion-free audio, which is crucial when you're mixing tracks. Finally, we have the Technica M50X. This model is one of the most critically acclaimed in the M series line and is popular among professionals for good reason. The 45mm large aperture drivers, combined with copper-clad aluminum wire voice coils, deliver clear and accurate audio with deep bass response. The over-ear design and plush sound isolation pads make these headphones perfect for long sessions, whether you're in the studio or on the go. One of the highlights of the M50X is the circumaural design, which provides excellent sound isolation from ambient noise. The ear pads and headband are made from professional-grade material, offering durability and comfort. Additionally, the ear cups swivel 90 degrees for one-ear monitoring, and the headphones can be folded flat, making them highly portable. The M50X combines great sound, style and comfort, making it an excellent choice for both studio and DJ use. So, these are the best DJ headphones for beginners. Whether you need the industry-standard Sennheiser HD-25, the durable Pioneer DJ HDJ-X5, or the critically acclaimed Technica M50X, all of these headphones will give you a great start in your DJ journey. The links to purchase these headphones can be found in the description below. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your music.